All right, what up, y'all? So my boy just got these decals in. It's people off of Instagram, Unlimited Creations Customs. So I put a link in the description for it. But basically they make these 3D domed emblems, and really all you need to do is heat them up with a heat gun because by the time you get them, most likely they'll be a little stiff. But all you need is a little heat that's gonna make it kind of bend a little bit more. So this is the ones for the center caps on the wheels. Yours may be different, but these are for a charger, so you got to take the actual center cap apart so you can take off this centerpiece, the silver Dodge hash marks, because that'll mess up the new emblem sticking. So you need a flat surface. So this is just me taking the center caps apart. So if you got a charger or something, charger challenger, this is something you got to deal with. But all you need is a flathead screwdriver. You pop the center cap apart, and then you take out this little middle silver piece, so you can just break the tabs on the back. Because if you're using these, you're not going back with those anyway. And if you ever change your mind, you can always glue them back in place, or just let them stay press fit. But yeah. So put your center cap back together. Clean everything off good with alcohol. You don't want any grease or anything like that on whatever it is that you're sticking together, because it won't stick. So make sure you get everything clean. So, and once you got all that done, you can just snap everything back in place and it should be good to go. So this is the day I actually installed it. So I'll probably check up with them in another week or so and see how everything is holding up. But it should be good. So all the center caps are on. And like I said, Unlimited Creations Customs, I put the Instagram on here. He also made this steering wheel thing too, so which is pretty dope. So steering wheel logo, and he got a lot of extra logos. So this one, where it's usually like a Dodge logo or something, that steering wheel logo, center caps. So check them out.